SOAP UI Online Training. Introduction to SOAP UI, Overview and History. SOAP UI is a widely used open-source tool for testing and validating API, Application Programming Interface, functionality. Here's a brief overview and history. Overview. SOAP UI allows testers and developers to create and execute automated functional, regression, compliance, and load tests for APIs. It supports both SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol, and REST, Representational State Transfer, web services and provides a user-friendly interface for designing test cases and managing test environments. History. Origins. SOAP UI was originally developed by Ole Lensmar in 2006 as an open-source project under the umbrella of the company Everywhere Software Hub. Evolution. Over the years, SOAP UI has evolved significantly, adding features and improvements to support the growing complexity of APIs and the needs of developers and testers. Acquisition. In 2011, Everywhere was acquired by SmartBear Software, a leading provider of software quality tools for developers, testers, and operations teams. This acquisition helped SOAP UI gain more resources and support, further enhancing its capabilities. Key features. Functional testing. Create and execute functional tests to validate API behavior. Load testing. Simulate multiple users accessing the API simultaneously to test performance. Compliance testing. Ensure APIs adhere to industry standards and specifications. Mock services. Create mock services to simulate APIs that are not yet developed or are unavailable for testing. Reporting. Generate detailed reports to analyze test results and identify issues. Community and support. SOAP UI has a large community of users and contributors who provide support, share knowledge, and develop plugins to extend its functionality. It supports various platforms including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Usage. SOAP UI is used across industries by developers, testers, and QA professionals to ensure the reliability, performance, and compliance of APIs before deployment to production environments. Understanding APIs, SOAP versus REST. SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol, and REST, Representational State Transfer, are two distinct approaches for designing APIs, application programming interfaces, that enable communication between different systems or applications. Here's a breakdown of their key differences. Protocol. SOAP uses XML, Extensible Markup Language, as the format for its messages. It typically operates over HTTP, but it's not tied to it and can use other protocols like SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. REST uses various formats such as JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, XML, or even plain text. It is primarily designed to work over HTTP. Message format. SOAP defines its own standards for message structure and typically relies on XML for data exchange. It includes a formal specification for the message envelope, headers, and body. REST doesn't prescribe a specific message format. It often uses JSON due to its simplicity and flexibility, but XML and other formats can also be used. State management. SOAP has built-in mechanisms for stateful operations using WS-* standards. It often relies on sessions and can maintain conversational state between clients and servers. REST emphasizes statelessness, meaning each request from a client to a server must contain all the information necessary to understand and process the request. Servers do not store client state between requests. Interface definition. SOAP typically relies on WSDL, Web Services Description Language, for defining the contract between the client and the server. WSDL specifies the operations, input-output parameters, and protocols used. REST uses standards like OpenAPI, formerly Swagger, for defining APIs. It focuses more on resources and actions, get, post, put, delete, rather than on messaging protocols. Flexibility and scalability. SOAP can be more rigid due to its standardized protocol and XML structure. It's well-suited for enterprise-level applications where formal contracts and security are paramount. REST offers more flexibility and scalability, making it suitable for internet-scale applications and systems with heterogeneous clients. Performance. SOAP XML parsing can be overhead-intensive compared to JSON used in REST. SOAP messages tend to be larger due to XML's verbose nature. REST generally performs better due to its lightweight message format, like JSON, and stateless nature, making it more suitable for mobile and web applications. Getting started with SOAP UI, installation and setup. Run the installer. Once downloaded, run the installer executable .x for Windows, .dmg for macOS, .sh for Linux. Follow the installation wizard instructions. Typically, you'll need to agree to the license agreement and choose the installation directory. Complete installation. Finish the installation process by clicking Finish or similar prompts depending on your OS. Setup. Launch SOAP UI. After installation, SOAP UI should be accessible from your Applications menu, Windows Start menu, macOS Applications folder, or Linux launcher. Workspace configuration. On first launch, SOAP UI might prompt you to choose a workspace directory where projects and settings will be stored. Select or create a new directory as per your preference. Explore SOAP UI interface. Once launched, you'll see the SOAP UI interface, which consists of menus, toolbars, and panels. Familiarize yourself with the main components like Project Navigator, Test Case Editor, and Request Response panes. Getting started with a project. Create a new project. To create a new project, click on File, New SOAP Project, or New REST Project, depending on your needs. Enter the project name and the initial WSDL or endpoint URL. Configure project settings. Follow the wizard to configure your project settings, such as specifying endpoint details, authentication methods, etc. Creating test cases in SOAP UI. Creating test cases in SOAP UI involves a few steps to ensure thorough testing of your SOAP and RESTful web services. Here's a general guide on how to create test cases in SOAP UI. Create a new SOAP UI project. Open SOAP UI and create a new SOAP UI project. Specify the WSDL URL or upload the WSDL file to import your SOAP service. For REST services, you can add the endpoint URL directly. Create test suites. Inside your SOAPUI project, create a new test suite. Test suites help you organize your tests logically, such as grouping tests by functionality or module. Add test cases. Within your test suite, create a new test case. A test case represents a specific scenario or test objective you want to validate. Add test steps. Inside the test case, add various test steps. SOAPUI supports different types of test steps, including SOAP request for sending SOAP requests to your service. REST request for sending RESTful requests. Groovy script for custom scripting. Data source for data-driven testing. Assertions to validate the response. Configure test steps. Configure each test step with appropriate settings. For example, specify the request details, method, headers, parameters, payload. Define assertions to verify expected results, response status, content, headers. Parameterization, optional. Use data sources to parameterize your tests. This allows you to run the same test case with different inputs. Run and analyze tests. Execute your test cases and review the results. SOAPUI provides detailed logs and reports to help you analyze test outcomes. Refine and maintain tests. Update test cases as needed based on changes in service requirements or to enhance coverage. Advanced features of SOAPUI, assertions and validations. SOAPUI is a powerful tool for testing web services, and its advanced features, particularly assertions and validations, are crucial for ensuring the correctness and reliability of your tests. Here's a breakdown of these features. Assertions. Assertions in SOAPUI are used to verify the expected behavior of web service responses. They validate whether the response meets specific conditions, allowing you to assert various aspects such as response content. Check if specific content, such as text or XML elements, is present in the response. Response code. Verify HTTP status codes, example 200 OK, 404 not found. Response headers. Ensure that certain headers, like content type, are present and correct. XPath match. Validate XML elements and attributes using XPath expressions. Script assertion. Execute custom scripts, Groovy scripts, to perform complex validations beyond built-in assertions. Validations. Validations in SOAPUI are similar to assertions but are typically used to validate data inputs or expected outputs in a web service operation. They are essential for ensuring data integrity and correctness throughout the service life cycle. Key validation techniques include schema compliance. Ensure that the response adheres to specified XML or JSON schemas. Data validity. Validate the correctness of data formats, example dates, numbers, within the response. Data comparisons. Compare response data against expected values or known data sets. Performance metrics. Validate response times or other performance metrics against predefined thresholds. Practical use. Setting assertions. You can add assertions directly to individual test steps within SOAP-UI. Each assertion is configured with specific parameters based on the type of validation required. Validation techniques. Choose the appropriate validation technique based on the nature of the web service and the specific requirements of your testing scenario. Script assertions. Use Groovy scripts for more complex validations that cannot be handled by built-in assertions alone. This gives you flexibility in implementing custom validation logic. Parameterization and data-driven testing in SOAP-UI. Parameterization and data-driven testing are powerful features in SOAP-UI that enable efficient testing by using different sets of data. Here's how they work. Parameterization. This allows you to replace hard-coded values in your test steps with parameters, making your tests more dynamic and reusable. In SOAP-UI, you can define parameters at various levels. Global parameters, available throughout the entire project. Test case parameters, specific to a particular test case. Property transfer allows you to extract values from responses and reuse them as parameters in subsequent requests. To use parameterization, define parameters in the appropriate scope, global, test case, or property transfer. Reference these parameters in your requests, assertions, and scripts using SOAP-UI's syntax, example, $#tests with #parameter name. Data-driven testing. This technique involves running the same test case with multiple sets of data. SOAP-UI supports data-driven testing through data sources, external data files, Excel, CSV, databases that provide input values for your tests. DataSync test step allows you to store output data from responses into external files or databases. Steps for data-driven testing. Define a data source and connect it to your test case. Map columns from the data source to parameters or request fields. SOAP-UI executes the test case iteratively with each row of data, capturing results for analysis. Benefits. Efficiency. Automate repetitive tests with varying data sets. Coverage. Test different scenarios with minimal effort. Reusability. Maintain and update tests independently of data. Security testing with SOAP-UI. Security testing with SOAP-UI typically involves ensuring that web services are secure against common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, XML bomb attacks, and unauthorized access. Here's how you can perform security testing using SOAP-UI. Authentication testing. Verify that authentication mechanisms, example, basic auth, OAuth, are implemented correctly and securely. Authorization testing. Ensure that the web service enforces proper access controls based on user roles and permissions. Input validation. Test for SQL injection and other injection attacks by sending malicious inputs through SOAP-UI. Session management. Check how the web service manages sessions and tokens to prevent session hijacking and fixation. XML parsing security. Test for XML-related vulnerabilities such as XML external entity, XXE, attacks, and XML injection. Error handling. Validate that error messages do not expose sensitive information and are handled securely. Data integrity. Verify that data sent and received by the web service are encrypted and integrity protected, example, using HTTPS. Output encoding. Ensure that all output from the web service is properly encoded to prevent XSS attacks. Denial of service, DOS, testing. Check how the web service handles excessive requests and potential DOS attacks. Compliance testing. Validate if the web service complies with security standards and regulations relevant to your organization. Example, PCI DSS, HIPAA. Integration with CI/CD pipelines, automation with SOAP-UI. Integrating SOAP-UI with CI/CD pipelines can streamline the automation of API testing within your continuous integration and continuous deployment processes. Here are the typical steps involved. Setting up SOAP-UI projects. Ensure your SOAP-UI projects are set up and configured to perform the required API tests. This includes defining test cases, assertions, and data-driven tests as needed. Version control integration. Store your SOAP-UI project files in a version control system like Git to manage changes and collaborate effectively. CI/CD tool integration. Use your CI/CD tool, such as Jenkins, Bamboo, or TeamCity, to automate the execution of SOAP-UI tests. Jenkins. Use the SOAP-UI Jenkins plugin to execute SOAP-UI tests as part of your Jenkins build process. Bamboo. Bamboo supports running SOAP-UI tests through tasks configured in build plans. TeamCity. Create build steps in TeamCity to run SOAP-UI tests using command line execution or plugins. Executing tests automatically. Configure your CI/CD pipeline to trigger SOAP-UI tests automatically when a new build is deployed or on a scheduled basis. Ensure proper environment configurations are set up in SOAP-UI. Example, URLs, credentials, to run tests in different environments, dev, staging, production. Reporting and notifications. Integrate with your CI/CD tool to capture SOAP-UI test results and generate reports, HTML, XML, etc., for test execution summary and detailed logs. Set up notifications to alert stakeholders about test failures or issues encountered during test runs. Advanced integration, optional. For more advanced scenarios, consider integrating SOAP-UI with other tools in your CI/CD pipeline ecosystem, such as Docker for containerization or Selenium for UI testing alongside API testing. Best practices for effective API testing using SOAP-UI. Effective API testing using SOAP-UI involves several best practices to ensure thorough testing and reliable results. Here are some key practices. Clear understanding of API specifications. Begin by thoroughly understanding the API documentation, including endpoints, methods, parameters, headers, and expected responses. Test case design. Design comprehensive test cases that cover all possible scenarios, including positive and negative tests, boundary conditions, error handling, etc. Data-driven testing. Utilize data-driven testing to validate the API's behavior with different input data sets. SOAP-UI allows you to parameterize requests using data sources like CSV files, databases, or Excel sheets. Assertions. Implement assertions to validate API responses automatically. Assertions ensure that the response meets expected criteria, such as HTTP status codes, response headers, JSON XML payload content, etc. Security testing includes security testing as part of your API tests. Verify authentication mechanisms like OAuth, Basic Auth, and ensure that sensitive data is handled securely. Performance testing. Conduct performance tests to evaluate API response times, throughput, and scalability. SoapUI supports load testing and stress testing to simulate multiple users and analyze performance under different loads. Mocking. Use SoapUI's mocking capabilities to simulate API responses when the actual API isn't available or ready for testing. This allows early testing in development stages. Automation. Automate API tests to integrate them into continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD pipelines. SoapUI provides scripting capabilities, example Groovy scripts, for complex test scenarios and automation. Environment management. Manage test environments effectively within SoapUI. Use environment variables to switch between different environments like development, testing, production, seamlessly. Reporting and analysis. Utilize SoapUI's reporting features to generate comprehensive test reports. Analyze test results to identify issues, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. Version control. Store API tests and related artifacts, like data sources, mock services, in version control systems, example Git, to manage changes and collaborate effectively. Collaboration. Foster collaboration among team members by sharing SoapUI projects, test suites, and results. Use SoapUI's built-in collaboration features or integrate with project management tools. Extending SoapUI, plugins and customizations. Extending SoapUI through plugins and customizations can significantly enhance its functionality and tailor it to specific needs. Here are some ways to extend SoapUI. Groovy scripts. SoapUI supports Groovy scripting, allowing you to automate tasks, customize behaviors, and extend functionalities. Groovy scripts can be used to manipulate requests, responses, and perform complex logic within SoapUI. Custom assertions. If you have specific validation requirements beyond SoapUI's built-in assertions, you can create custom assertion scripts using Groovy. These assertions can validate response data in a customized manner. Custom test steps. You can create custom test steps to encapsulate reusable logic or interactions with external systems. This can be useful for integrating SoapUI with other tools or services. Plugins. SoapUI supports plugins that extend its capabilities. Plugins can add new features, integrate with other systems, or provide specialized testing capabilities. You can develop plugins using Java and the SoapUI API. Event handlers. SoapUI allows you to register event handlers that execute scripts or custom Java code in response to specific events, such as before a test case starts or after a test step completes. This is useful for adding custom logging, metrics collection, or cleanup tasks. Custom data sources. If you need to use data from unconventional sources, example databases, CSV files, APIs, you can create custom data sources in SoapUI. This allows you to pull data dynamically during test execution. Custom formatters and reporters. Customize how test results are formatted and reported by creating custom formatters and reporters. This can help in aligning test reporting with specific organizational requirements or integrating with external reporting systems. Integration with CI/CD. SOAP/UI can be integrated into continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines using plugins or by executing SOAP/UI tests from command line interfaces. This ensures that API testing is automated as part of the development life cycle. Challenges and solutions in API testing with SOAP/UI. API testing with SOAP/UI, like any testing endeavor, comes with its own set of challenges and solutions. Here are some common challenges and ways to address them. Challenges: complex APIs. APIs with intricate workflows, nested structures, or large payloads can be challenging to understand and test thoroughly. Dependency management. APIs often rely on external services or databases. Testing these dependencies can be complex and require careful setup. Data handling. Managing test data for different scenarios and ensuring data integrity across tests can be time-consuming. Security. Testing APIs for security vulnerabilities like injection attacks, SQL injection, XSS, or authorization issues, access controls, is crucial but can be complex. Performance. Assessing API performance under various loads and ensuring scalability can be challenging. Solutions. API documentation. Comprehensive API documentation helps testers understand endpoints, payloads, parameters, and expected responses. SOAP/UI can import API definitions like Swagger or OpenAPI for better visibility. Mocking and stubs. Use SOAP/UI's mocking capabilities to simulate dependent services or stub responses. This isolates testing and allows for focused testing of specific API behaviors. Data-driven testing. Use SOAP/UI's data-driven testing features to execute tests with different input data sets. This ensures comprehensive coverage of various scenarios without duplicating tests. Security testing. SOAP/UI supports security testing plugins like OWASP to scan APIs for vulnerabilities. Implementing secure coding practices and conducting regular security audits are crucial. Performance testing. Use SOAP/UI for load testing by simulating multiple concurrent users and analyzing API response times. Monitor server resources and identify performance bottlenecks early. Integration with CI/CD. Integrate SOAP/UI tests into continuous integration pipelines using tools like Jenkins for automated testing on code commits. This ensures early detection of regressions. Version control. Use version control systems like Git to manage SOAP/UI test projects. This facilitates collaboration, tracks changes, and ensures repeatability of tests across different environments. How does SOAP/UI compare to other API testing tools? SOAP/UI is a widely used API testing tool known for its robust features and ease of use. Here's how it generally compares to other API testing tools. Feature set. SOAP/UI offers a comprehensive feature set, including functional testing, load testing, security testing, and mocking services. It supports SOAP and RESTful APIs, making it versatile for various testing needs. Ease of use. SoapUI provides a user-friendly interface with powerful capabilities. It allows for both manual and automated testing, making it accessible to testers and developers with varying levels of experience. Customization. SoapUI allows extensive customization through plugins and scripting, using Groovy, enabling users to tailor their testing workflows and extend functionality as needed. Integration. It integrates well with other tools and frameworks, such as Jenkins for continuous integration, which is beneficial for incorporating API testing into automated build processes. Community and support. SoapUI has a large user community and good documentation, which can be helpful for troubleshooting issues and sharing best practices. When comparing SoapUI to other tools like Postman, Insomnia, or Paw, Postman is often favored for its user-friendly interface focused on API request building and collaboration features like sharing collections. Insomnia is known for its modern design and ease of use, especially for developers who prefer a clean, intuitive interface. Paw is popular among macOS users for its native application experience and powerful request building and testing capabilities. Why choose ProExcellency for SoapUI online training? Choosing ProExcellency for SoapUI online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise in SoapUI. ProExcellency likely offers training conducted by experts who have deep knowledge and practical experience with SoapUI, ensuring high-quality instruction. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover all aspects of SoapUI, from basic concepts to advanced topics like automation, scripting, and integration with CI/CD pipelines. Hands-on experience. They may provide hands-on labs and projects that allow you to apply SoapUI concepts in real-world scenarios, enhancing practical skills. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency offers flexibility in scheduling, allowing you to learn at your own pace and from any location. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for SoapUI certification, ProExcellency's training might include preparation materials and guidance to help you succeed in the certification exam. Support and community. They may offer post-training support and access to a community of learners, which can be valuable for networking and ongoing learning. Thank you.